Hello, welcome along to your latest update from the Met Office. A 3-day weekend and the weather's going to stay fairly mixed. Again, we'll have sunshine and showers on Saturday and the whole weekend will stay on the chilly side with morning frosts likely. On Sunday, well, again, there will be sunshine and showers, but probably not as many showers around. A better chance of staying completely dry. Whereas for Monday, although there's still quite a bit of uncertainty about the timing of the rain and the extent of the rain and how strong the winds are, it does look as if we will see a spell of wet and windy swinging across the country this bank holiday Monday. That is going to come courtesy of an area of low pressure, which is brewing up nicely out in the Atlantic. But ahead of that, well, it's a pretty slack flow, as we say, where the isobars are very spaced out, meaning the winds are light and no weather fronts to be seen. That has allowed showers to develop through the day and those slow-moving showers still rumbling on in places through Friday evening, but they're tending to fade out overnight, so many places will become dry and the air is still pretty cold. So again, with light winds, clear skies, we are going to see some pockets of frost, certainly many rural areas down to or below freezing and towns and cities not far off zero as we start the weekend. Now, we will start with a few showers around the coast of northeast Scotland, the odd one down the eastern side of England. But for many, it'll be a bright, sunny start to Saturday. However, look at this. The clouds will bubble up through the morning quite quickly, and then the showers will get going really from late to mid-morning onwards. And through the afternoon, those showers scattered up and down the land. Again, they'll be quite slow moving. It's not one of those days where the weather's just going to be chopping and changing. It'll be one of those days where some places stay pretty dry, whereas others see quite a bit of heavy shower activity. Many of the coasts will be dry and bright, and we'll see some sunshine at times, but temperatures are going to struggle after that cold start. We're looking at highs still below average for early May, 13 to 14 at best across the south, 11 or 12 further north, and a bit fresher on some of the coasts. Again, it's going to turn pretty fresh pretty quickly on Saturday evening. The showers will keep going for a time inland, but they do again fade out, and again hints of blue on the chart there, suggesting again in rural spots we'll start with a frost on Sunday. But again, many will start Sunday with some sunshine. Now again, the showers will get going through the day, but I suspect perhaps not as many as on Saturday. Far from completely dry everywhere, but there's a better chance that your day will be drier across parts of Wales, southwest England, maybe western Scotland as well. There will be a bit more cloud perhaps across the far northwest, but many places will again, at least for some times during the day, see some sunshine. And when the sun's out, temperatures again creeping up into the teens, perhaps a little higher compared to Friday's values on Saturday and Sunday, 13, 14 in the south, 10 or 11 further north. With light winds in the sunshine, it shouldn't feel too bad, but again, these values are below average for this time of year. That weak area of high pressure tends to disappear as you go through Sunday night, and that low pressure that we saw earlier starts to wind itself up and spread its way across the UK. It's going to be accompanied by some very strong winds, unusually windy for the time of year, and the weather fronts will provide outbreaks of rain. But this is a developing system, and there's some uncertainty about the exact track. It could be a little further south, it could be a little further north. So in terms of detail of when it will start to rain and how gusty the winds will be, you need to stay up to date for that. We'll have more details over the next couple of days. But a spell of wet and windy weather is likely for all of us at some point on bank holiday Monday. So if you've got plans, as I said, stay tuned to the updates. Make sure you keep across the Met Office, and the best way to do that is to follow us on social media.